Hello guys, this is Cruz the Autistic Boy here. Today I'm gonna show you how to talk like God from South Park. Yeah, God from South Park is this hippo-headed guy creature thing. So I already recorded my line and listen to this.
Since it is the end of the first 2,000 years, I will allow you, my children, to ask me one question.
Okay, head up to effect. You click on change pitch. Then you change the percentage change to -20. I'm not going to play this for you. You must go to echo. The delay time has to be 0.005 and the decay factor must be 0.5. So click on that. Here's what you'll get.
Since it is the end of the first 2,000 years, I will allow you, my children, to ask me one question.
Well, that is the best I could do, guys. So let me know how it goes. Thank you.